spaces. So now if we try running this again, then we get hello world from Ryan. Now for this Bart Simpson program, we can tell this printed many, many times, but we can't actually tell for sure if it printed 1,000 times. So let's mention the value of our counter in addition to our message. And let's also change our message to something more like what Bart Simpson would write on the chalkboard. So I'm going to go back to idle, and I'm going to update my message to say, I will not set my teacher's hair on fire. It's a good thing to not do. And then we will also print our counter. And Python can print as many